To scale Azure SQL up, you need to understand the different service tiers and their corresponding performance levels. Azure SQL offers several service tiers, including Basic, Standard, Premium, and Business Critical, each with its own set of features and pricing. First, identify your current service tier and performance level by navigating to the Azure portal and selecting your Azure SQL database. Click on the Overview tab to view your current service tier and performance level. Next, determine the required performance level for your database by considering factors such as the number of users, data size, and transaction volume. You can use the Azure SQL Database Pricing Calculator to estimate the required performance level. To scale up, click on the Configure tab and select the desired service tier and performance level. You can choose from a range of options, including increasing the vCores, memory, or storage. Keep in mind that scaling up may result in downtime, so it is recommended to perform this operation during a maintenance window. Alternatively, you can use Azure SQL Automatic Tuning to optimize performance. This feature allows Azure to automatically adjust the performance level of your database based on usage patterns. Best practices for scaling Azure SQL up include monitoring database performance regularly, using Query Store to analyze query performance, and optimizing database configuration for better performance. It is also recommended to test and validate database performance after scaling up to ensure that the required performance level is met. In summary, scaling Azure SQL up involves identifying your current service tier and performance level, determining the required performance level, and selecting the desired service tier and performance level. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure optimal performance and scalability for your Azure SQL database.